This video will show you how to manage layers in Coastal Explorer. In Coastal Explorer, all your navigation objects are saved to layers. Navigation objects include routes, marks, tracks, boundaries, and more. There are two types of layers. The first type of layer is a voyage plan document. Voyage plan document layers are files containing collections of navigation objects that are stored locally on a single system. The second type of layer is a cloud synchronized layer. These layers also contain collections of navigation objects. However, unlike voyage plan document layers, cloud synchronized layers are uploaded to a database accessed by your RosePoint account. This allows these layers to be shared across your devices running Coastal Explorer and can also be accessed from the web browser version of Coastal Explorer available at coastalexplorer.net. To access layers, click on the Layers Browser button on the left side of the screen. Here you will see a list of your layers. Any voyage plan document layers present on your system will display a file path to the right of the layer title. You can show or hide multiple layers on the chart display using the switches to the right of the layer titles. You will also notice the current layer at the top of the browser panel. This corresponds to the highlighted entry in the layers list. When a layer is set as the current layer, any new navigation objects created will be saved to the layer. You can also click Edit on the current layer to change its title or delete the layer. To start a new cloud synchronized layer, click the New Layer button. Here, you can create a title for your layer, then click the Back button to save it. If you want to import data from a voyage plan document or other supported file type into its own layer, click the Import button. Select the file you want to import, then click Open. If you want to create a new voyage plan document layer, click on the Menu button in the upper right-hand corner of the browser panel. In this menu, you will also see options to open voyage plan documents, export data from the current layer, or import data from a device or file. To view the contents of your layers, click on the Items option at the top of the Layers browser panel. By default, this panel will display all items contained within the current layer. You can choose to display items from a different single layer or from all visible layers by clicking on the Layer menu. You can also filter the items that are displayed in the panel and change the sort order of the items. When you click on an item, you will be presented with options including the ability to show or hide the item, view the item's properties, and more. You can also move items between layers by clicking on More in the Items options. Then hover your cursor over Move to Layer and select the layer you want to move the item to. You can also move items between layers by right-clicking on the item's listing or on the item itself on the chart display and selecting Cut or Copy. Then, select the current layer you want to transfer the item to, right-click on the chart, and select Paste. You can also use Windows Cut, Copy, and Paste keyboard commands to move selected items between layers. If you delete a layer or item within a layer by mistake, you can click Deleted at the top of the Layers browser panel. Here you will see a list of recently deleted layers and items. You can recover layers and items from this panel by clicking on the item, then selecting Restore below its title. This concludes our video on managing layers in Coastal Explorer. If you have any questions this video did not cover, You can feel free to send us an email, post a topic to our community forum, or give us a call. Thank you for watching.